What's good, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing well. Taking a walk. Been in all day. Just watching stuff like Netflix and things. I said, let me get out here, take a walk. Move these legs. Yeah, I hope everybody's doing well. Yep, taking my routine walk. I ain't take my routine walking. Nah, day before yesterday. I ain't walk yesterday. I went to the gym yesterday. Welcome in. Hit that like button, everybody. I appreciate it if you could drop the daily heart me and share the live. It would be much appreciated. Because everybody here is meant to be, we all meant to be friends, so be friendly. Say hi. Right, be friendly in the comments. You know, the terminologies, we upgrading the terminologies. Be friendly with each other, you know what I mean? Nothing crazy, but be friendly, you know what I mean? Be nice, say hi. Yeah, I'm on Hawaiian, this Hawaiian beach. See? Miss Chu Foodie. Welcome in, good to see you. I don't know why it seems like I haven't seen you in the TikTok world. Man, good to see you. I don't know why it seems like I haven't seen you in the TikTok world in a while. Thanks for the heart me. Thank you. Make sure y'all say hi to my gifter. Hey, drop a comment. I want to put you on the pen while I can still see. Let me see. I see you. Thanks for the shares. Thank you. Make sure y'all pick up Miss Chu Foodie. She's a live hostess. She creates a lot of good content about fitness, lifestyle. Also, she does live every day, twice a day. Y'all make sure y'all engage with her lives. Very interesting sister, and she talks about a lot of interesting things. Oh, you driving? Yeah, don't do nothing dangerous. Thank you for the populars. I got you on the pen too. Yeah, be careful while you're driving. Yep, but make sure y'all say hi to Miss Chu Foodie. She's definitely a quality individual. But I'm just saying, she's one of the people that you want to be friends with on the platform, but in life, you know what I mean? It's a lot of good people that it goes beyond TikTok. Let's link up. Let's say hi to each other. Let's be friendly. Thanks, Miss Chu Foodie. I appreciate you. I'm gonna flip it. Oh, you're welcome. Come on now. I don't know. It seems like I haven't seen you in a while. That's kind of weird, right? I know y'all want to see the beach. If you're coming in and out. Yeah, it's beautiful, and I appreciate that too. And it's perfect out here. I mean, it's not hot. It's not, it's perfect. That's why I'm glad I waited. I came out later as opposed to, early in the day, because it's 4:35 in the afternoon here. So it's like, yeah, it's perfect. Oh shit. No, that's how it is here. This is a very, very laid back beach. This is beautiful. That's why I said it's a good place if you got children, you know, just for family time and stuff like that. It's a real good beach. It's just not wild. I think it's good for family. Keep hitting the like button, everybody. I appreciate y'all. Let's get the likes up to 1K. We in Hawaiian Beach. Having a beautiful afternoon. It'll be night. It'll be night in a couple hours. I think I'm talking loud. I got my earphones. I got the music playing in my ear from my other phone. It's great for lovers. Yeah, this is a great place for lovers. It definitely is. Yep. You gotta come visit, Miss True Foodie. It's beautiful here. How you doing? How you doing? All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna walk down to the Buddha and walk back up. Welcome in. Make sure you pick up the let me put you back up. If you're coming in there, make sure you say hi to the pinned account. Also the host. The host is, you know, the host is friendly also. That sounds funny. Friendly. Yeah, it's good to be friendly, but welcome in. Hit that like button. I'm in Hawaiian, Thailand, on this beautiful beach. Perfect vibes. I'm ready to get in the water. I really am. Hold up. There's sun out right there. I see you. I'm gonna get you up next, Aquarius. I can't really see the sun. I'm in a sunny spot. I got you on the pin. If you're coming out, make sure you pick up the pinned account. Also the host. Let's make these connections. Enjoy the scenery. Hey, and do another day. Creating another way. TikTok for friends, TikTok for leisure, TikTok for business. It's all good. We all got different, I want a little bit of everything. I want friends. I want money. So I want a little bit of everything from TikTok. But don't be shy. Make sure you pick up that pinned account. And everybody in the comments, everybody's here. Everybody wants to make connections, good connections. And the people that you connect with, engage with their content. You know, if you pick up the pinned account, go like and repost her latest post. Well, or his, I can't, I don't know. Yeah, Aquarian Wiz, yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and repost Aquarian Wiz 91. Latest post. I want to get in the water. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm in here by myself. Got 430 likes. Ain't that something? Yeah, they got the horses out here. I'm on Hawaiian Beach. I'm in Thailand, everybody. Just taking my daily walk. I normally walk every day, but I think I skipped yesterday because I went to the gym. Daily walking. Welcome in. If you're in there, I appreciate if you would hit that like button. Hit that like button, everybody. Let me share this live. What is my, let me see something. What you won't do for love. Ain't that some shit? You know what? Since ain't nobody in here, I'm going off. I'm going the hell off. I'm getting in the water. Why not?